Welcome back everyone. Well, the OnePlus Nord eventually came out and I eventually got it. Now I wasn't going to do an unboxing, but I figured I might as well do it. So let's go ahead and see how it holds up and see what's basically about it. I'm going to do a bunch of comparisons too, so don't forget about that. But the specific box I got is kind of in weird condition. It's like in this weird film. I don't know if it's like supposed to be it or whatever, but from the bottom you're able to go and take this plastic off like this. And then I guess like this. Okay, there we go. Okay, plastic out of the way. Let's go ahead and open this box up. And as you can see, no plastic or no papering up here. The box doesn't feel like the best condition, but it doesn't really matter. And as you can see, we have the OnePlus Nord, probably one of the most hyped up phones of 2020 right here. Let's go ahead and take this bad boy out of here. And I'll go ahead and unwrap this plastic right now for you guys. And there we go. Basically, I think there is a glass screen protector embedded on this display, which is really cool because Samsung did not put a glass screen protector on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, which is very weird. So it doesn't look like it has any charge, so we'll have to go and charge it up. There we go. Never mind, I take that back. Now in the box, we also get a little plastic thing here. Okay, so underneath this stuff, which there's a lot of documentation in here. I'm actually really surprised. Oh, they actually throw a case in here too. Look at that. So they have a case in here. They have a bunch of this other stuff in here too. There's a lot of stuff in this case, surprisingly. So we have the case right there, which is very, very weird. I was not expecting to get a case in here, which is really surprising. Inside this plastic casing right here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different stuff. We have stickers, we have the quick start guide. I think there's more stuff in here than what we were getting on the OnePlus 8, which is really weird because that phone costs way more than this one. And then we also get a welcome letter, which is very funny. And of course, we get the fast charger as well as the USB Type-C cable. And this is a very long cable. I love OnePlus chargers. And as you can see, we get this massive charger that's not going to work in my country. So, and it does say OnePlus right there. So as you can see, there's some crazy stuff in this case. And the phone itself, I haven't even really looked at. I've seen a couple of reviews of it, but as you can see, we have the thing right here, the welcome panel, and it doesn't feel that bad in the hand. The back kind of has the same thing going on with like the Galaxy A series, like the A71 and the A51. It kind of feels like that. Definitely not cheap by any means, but it's probably that polycarbonate, which I kind of like. The power button on the side as well as a silent ring off switch, and then the volume buttons on the right side, nothing on the top, and then the USB Type-C port on the bottom. The screen itself looks pretty good too. I don't know if this is an AMOLED display, it could be, but it looks like a pretty good display for the most part. And I can go ahead and just brush through all this stuff real quickly. And as you can see, we eventually do get into it. Now it does look pretty good overall, like the screen itself looks good, and it looks like a premium flagship phone. I mean, we have the dual camera setup on the front, quadruple camera setup on the back, which is kind of funny. And it seems pretty spontaneous. It seems pretty fast. Does it? I didn't even know it had that 90 Hz refresh rate. It actually might. I didn't even realize that. And it does have that 90 Hz refresh rate. I didn't even know that. That's really, really awesome. And that's why I could tell as soon as I like booted up, I saw that it looks pretty smooth. It looked like the OnePlus 8 for a second. So I'll be completely honest. I'm pretty surprised about it. But I will definitely tell you, I will do a bunch of comparisons and reviews between this thing and all the other budget phones and other phones in general. And those will be on the main channel. So that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my main channel. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.